Hi, hello everyone. This is Krishna Maitreya back to you with a new video. This is my second video. I feel a bit confident now. Yeah, and now today this video is going to be about new age careers. So to start with, let me tell you a story or an anecdote or anything, a short script where centuries ago the first locomotion or transportation was by people pulling the carriages. Then came bullock carts or horse carriages. So the people with horse carriages business, wheels business, everything related to that type had made a lot of money, had had a success in their business. Then came the engines, fuels, petrol, refinement, everything. So the people started using cars and motor vehicles. So the fuel companies and the car companies had started making a lot of money, so they ruled their times. They made a lot of money. In this way, the careers have been getting upgraded. Like first, there was a carriage pulled by a man. Then we have bullock carts. Then we have cars and motor vehicles. Then now we have for long distances. Now we have bullet trains, metros, hyperloops. Many things have been coming up. So in this way, there is always a new job coming up. If we get to know about it and if we start investing our time and energy in it, we can get success. It's like there is an occupation that has been coming up into the public. People who invest and their time and energy in it had made success. So the career choice should be made mainly based on the future scope and its demand by the time you graduate. Many new age careers have been emerging or emerged because of social media, technological revolution, and automation. Automatization. This is the current situation. In this video, I will explain briefly about some of the new age careers. I believe they will be in high demand, or they will be having a high demand, or they are having a high demand right now. So you can count upon them like nearly next 5 to 10 years. For all these, there are some basic fundamental skills which everybody should be having. These are skills which are common in any of the careers. So I'll be mentioning about them in the last part of the video. Stay tuned till the end of the video. So if we analyze the current situation, because of COVID, the digital world has grown very much. As you see, everything has become online, like education, business, marketing, food sales, everything, etc. So I have made a list of careers, as I said, and I'll be telling about them right now. There is nothing like this is the top career in my list. These are just a list of careers. So first one is like the animation filmmakers or the animators or the animation creators. So this is a fast-paced career where once your creation has got a recognition, everybody likes your creation, done. You are in. You will be on there. You can make plenty of money. So this is a platform where you can show off your creativity. It's not just animes or anime cartoons. It is even in useful in series, movies, games, and many other things. Then comes the blogger. This blogger has no particular educational degrees, or you don't need any eligibility or occupation certificates to be a blogger. It's a freelancing work where if you have proper knowledge about the language, about the grammar, about the literature, it's good and well, you can do it. It's like an online journal where a person will write about his experience, his life experiences, his expertise on something. his passions and their opinions of something. So there are someone who writes about books, so he will be a literature blogger who will be in touch or updated with the fashion, so he will be a fashion blogger, a lifestyle blogger, many technology and social issue blogger. Whomever is a social activist, he will be participating in all the social activities and make blogs on them. So next comes the copywriter or the content writer. He is more of a textual person. They are like the part of marketing team, and also they craft the textual content for everything. Like for food, if you they describe about a dish or a delicacy in a attractive way. So if you read the description of a dish, it will be attractive. They will make it attractive. They work with editors, designers, and the art directors. Their work will be like writing, updating the script, or organizing the contents for websites, blogs, and organizations. Like they write the speeches. Then comes the robotic technician. As as everyone are saying, in upcoming future we will have robots who will be working for humans, so on so. So if it happens, or it will happen in 5 to 10 years, so there will be robotic technicians who has to be in the production field of the robots and also the repair field of the robotics, like the manufacturing, mechanical, electronical, all parts of the all fields of the robotic engineering will be a robotic technician who will have a high demand. And comes a chief learning officer. I got to know about it when I was searching about the topic. So he is like an external internal community. He get to know about the talks of about the company at the customer level and also the employees level. So he collects the data from both the customers and the employee and strengthens the relation between the organization and both of them. Then comes the dietitian. Everyone is obsessed with the diet. Everyone is obsessed with the physical health. So nowadays everyone is keeping their interest or started taking care about their physical health, about their appearance, about their posture, everything. So a dietitian will know the nutrition values of the every food item and how much amount of the food item they should take. So a dietitian will give the prescribed food plan for a week or month for a week. So the person has to follow it and they will see the results. So the dietitian will have a demand or having a demand right now. So I forgot to say about the dietitian. There are even animal dietitians. Like if you want a pet, we have pets like dogs and cats. We want our dog to be strong, or he's not eating well, his food habits. So a dietitian specialized in animals can help us with it. Then comes the event manager. As we all know, event managers are like if we have a conference or any marriage, any event, any function, these event managers will make a day plan of the event, like early morning, the starting lighting of a candle or the ending of a Thanksgiving or anything. So for example, the EMC, who is like a speaker who introduces everyone, who talks about the event, who gives introduction to the chief guest, everything. He is like a master of ceremony. So nowadays all the functions have become glamorized and professional. Event managers will have demand. Yeah. Then come the graphic designer. Everyone wants all the colors, all the designs in their about their product, which so that those designs will attract the customers, attract the people. So they create visual concepts with software using. We have many softwares like either it can be a post, a video, a photo, anything. So they work an overall layout of production and design for advertisements, brochures, magazines, posters, wall layouts, many things, corporate reports. So they use the air creativity of art and technology in making the graphics of about a thing. They play a huge role in sales and marketing. They play a huge role in cinema, theatrical, everywhere. Their role is being there nowadays. Next is myotherapist. Actually, myotherapist is a big. I mean, it's like an umbrella, but I narrowed it down. You can take as the physiotherapist, the chiropractor, the acupuncture, all these under the myotherapist. They will get to know the myo what is what is making you feel the pain at a part of your body, which muscle fiber or which myofibril is not good or not. Why are you feeling pain at your bicep, at your tricep, at your calves? They can relieve your pain by doing massages or the therapies. They can relieve pain, spasms, and muscle tensions. They have knowledge about the trigger points so that they press at those points or do something to those points which will relieve our pain. So there are many other UH careers which are in high demand. These are a list of them, like digital marketer, ethical hacker, cosmetologist. The makeup artists are having a huge demand. When you during a function or during marriage, the bride and bridegroom, both of them are getting the makeup and getting ready. These cosmetologists and makeup artists will do. Food stylist, image consultant, drop shipping. Nowadays, this drop shipping like Shopify, Wix, and everyone is using this drop shipping to make money. Everyone, even in Instagram reels, everyone is like, we can make money using drop shipping. UX designer is generally like user experience designer who will get to know the experience of the users and they will improve the experience in a positive way. Data miner, career counselor. As students and everyone is not having any guidance of where to go, what to study, what to do with their life, what has to be their career, the career counselors will guide them. They can win them a large amount of money. Underwater archaeologist, as not many people can hold their breath for a long time underwater. Not everyone is ready to go underwater or risk their lives. Underwater archaeologists are having demand. You need to be strong with a physical personality is also required to get into these kind of jobs. So now I'll tell you about the skills which I told I will be mentioning. These are, I don't think these, they are important. Nothing like main important skill is presentation. For anything, if you have any idea, if you want to tell someone about anything, you need to present it. Either it can be verbal, it can be imaginary, it can be a PPT, it can be a video, anything. You need to have a presentation. So when you learn about the presentation skills, you can impress the viewers, you can deliver your idea to them. Based on your delivery, you can get their attraction, they can fund you, they can support you, anything can happen. Communication is also the same. However good you can communicate, in the same way you can receive the feedback from them. Creativity. The more creative you are, the more jobs you have, or the wider you can go. When you create something of your own that is having a value, so you can demand whatever you want. And analytical skills. These are the basic skills which are common in anything, but which are not taught so much in your school. So we need to inculcate them by doing works when we are free, in our free time. So finally, thank you for your patient listening. Please like, subscribe, share, and if you feel the content is good, please share them to someone who will benefit from it. I'll come up more upon this UX careers or about what you need to study to pursue a particular career. Thank you.